Hello, and a warm welcome to World This Week by latestlaws.com. This is a weekly program, so hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. I will be taking you through the significant orders and judgments passed by various courts in the country and some important international news from this week. Let's begin with the Supreme Court this week. Reproductive rights include a woman's entitlement to carry a pregnancy to its full term, to give birth and to subsequently raise children. In a significant ruling, the Supreme Court has delivered a landmark judgment navigating the complex interplay between a woman's reproductive rights and restrictive state service rules. The ruling challenges conventional interpretations of maternity leave eligibility, igniting a crucial conversation about constitutional protections and social justice for women in public service. In a judgment with broad implications for consumer litigation in the real estate sector, the Supreme Court has held that a homebuyer seeking refund due to delay in project completion cannot demand reimbursement of interest paid on home loans. The developer's liability, the court held, is limited to refunding the principal amount along with the interest as stipulated in the contractual terms, absent any extraordinary justification to expand the remedy. In a matter concerning allegations of police brutality against two journalists for reporting on unlawful sand mining in Madhya Pradesh, the Supreme Court on Monday granted interim protection from arrest, permitting the petitioners to approach the jurisdictional High Court for further relief. Now, let's get an overview of the High Courts. The High Court of Allahabad has directed the Uttar Pradesh government to constitute a high-powered committee to examine whether there was a need to regulate online gaming and betting. Justice Vinod Divakar's direction came after he observed that the existing Public Gambling Act was a colonial-era law that addresses only conventional forms of gambling like card games. The scope of an application for review is much more restricted than that of an appeal. With this pointed declaration, the Jharkhand High Court sets the stage for a compelling legal battle over pay parity and retrospective policy changes by the employer. This ruling, dissecting the delicate balance between administrative amendments and employees' rights, promises to captivate with its intricate reasoning and far-reaching implications. Dive into the details to uncover how the court navigated a contentious dispute regarding the claim of vested rights of an employee in case of policy changes prior to his appointment. Justice Madhav J. Jamdar of the Bombay High Court offered an unusual but transparent explanation for a 5-month delay in uploading a judgment pronounced on December 19, 2024. The delay, he explained, resulted from an overwhelming workload, including extended court hours, late-night order finalizations, and work on weekends and holidays. Moving on to international news this week. In an ongoing legal battle concerning academic freedom and immigration policy, the United States District Court in Boston has stayed the enforcement of a presidential proclamation issued by Donald Trump that barred international students from entering the United States to study at Harvard University. The interim relief, granted by Judge Alison Burroughs, marks a judicial intervention against an executive measure perceived by the university as retaliatory and unlawful. In the end, we have miscellaneous news. The National Green Tribunal has directed Delhi Public School in Noida Sector 30 to properly maintain a park allotted to it and comply with all conditions and rules of adoption. The NGT was hearing a letter petition by the Residents' Welfare Association of Sector 30 alleging that a green belt, Gandhi Park, was given to Delhi Public School about years ago to develop the park for children and senior citizens of the area for 10 years only, but the park was being used as a dump yard. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. This is a weekly program, and to get more information, please check the description box for weekly updates. Like and subscribe to our channel.